this was a question I got asked on my training this morning. We were doing vlookups, and somebody said to me, how do I know where the information is coming from? If you think of a VLOOKUP, there has to be a source, there has to be a list that contains the information you're looking up. Now, when I'm doing the training, I always say to people, put it in a table, it's much easier to find. But if you're using a spreadsheet that someone else has put together, how do you find where that source information is? It might be in another file, it might be in another sheet on your workbook. So let's jump in and let's have a look. So here's an example here, and if we, just going to click on D for you, and you'll be able to see that this cell here, there's the cell, and that has got a VLOOKUP formula in. Now this is quite a simple one, but you might be dealing with more complex examples. You might be dealing with examples that you haven't created, so you don't know what the table's called, or it might not even be a table. So I know that if we look at the VLOOKUP, you've got equals VLOOKUP. We've then got the lookup cell, and here it says TBL web. That's the name of my table. But how do I actually find where that table is? How do I get to it? So let's show you how. So we're going to click on D4 where the first one is, and we're going to use the formula auditing part of Excel. And I have done another video on this before, so if you wanted to know about it in more depth, have a look. I'll put a link to it in my when I post this. Okay, so we're going to go to the top of the screen to formulas, and we're going to go to these buttons here. Just to show them now. There we go. So we're looking at the trace precedence, and we're looking at the trace dependence arrow. We are. So the trace precedence is the cells that precede this. So if we click on D4 and we click on trace precedence, it will look for the cells that make up this formula. So we can see here a couple of things have happened. First of all, it's pointing out the lookup value in A4, so that's really good. And the second thing it's doing is it's got this dotted line, or dash, it's more of a dash line, and it leads to a tab. And that's telling me that that links to another, it could be another file or it could be another sheet. So we're going to go and see where that links to. So all I need to do is double click somewhere along that dash line. Don't double click on that little bit at the end because that won't work. Double click on the dashed line. What you sometimes find with Excel, doesn't give much away. So sometimes you have to do it the way it wants or not at all. So double click on the dashed line, and then it brings me to a link. Now in this case, it's the same file, different sheet. So all I do is I click on that link, I choose OK, and it's going to take me to that link. Here's the table, here's the source of my VLOOKUP. I haven't got to go looking for it. So really easy to do. Let me show you how you do it with a file as well.